In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the appearance of your shop. So I'm in my template here. I'm going to go ahead, actually have my screen set low. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and go into my category page here, my shop page. And as I mentioned before, we went ahead and I added this header here. So we're going to go down to our products. If you click on your products, you're going to notice the settings here. So this is where you're going to be able to kind of add what you want, the price, divider, ribbon, all those different settings. You can decide what happens when a customer hovers over an image on the desktop. This is kind of cool. You can have it swap the first and second image. You can have it zoom. You can create a border. So you can really come through here and play with these settings, decide exactly how you want your shop to look. Same thing with this layout. You can come through here and kind of play around with the different looks of these product pages, the info alignment, and again, decide exactly how you want this shop to look for you and what looks the best. Right here is where you can come in and you can just edit those main titles, and then design is where you're going to be able to come in here and edit all of the colors and the text if you want to do that. Now this sidebar, this is going to be this part right here, this browse by and filter. So you can decide if you want to show a category list or not. If you want to sync all of your categories, which right here I put in anti-aging, moisturizing, or if you want to customize it, and maybe we don't want to put all products, we just want those two, so you can kind of customize that category list. And then sorting, so if you want them to be able to filter by, we obviously don't have color and size, so we want to go through here. Actually, sorry, this is sorting up here, not the, I need to go back to that sidebar. So actually sorting is right here. So that we do want to, I like to have that on there for people to be able to sort. So let's actually go back to that sidebar. So we talked about category lists, so these filters here. So obviously we don't have price and size on here. I mean, we do have price. We don't have product options here. So let's see, we want to go ahead and hide that because we don't have size and color on there. But you can, of course, go in here and show these as well. You can create a custom filter. So if you want to hide this one and then create a custom filter with these, you can add more options here when you set up your product. So again, not going to go into absolutely everything, but I just wanted to show you this where this was at so that you could come in here and play around with this, get this looking exactly how you want it. Quick view. So let me show you what that is. We do have that toggle. You can toggle that on and off. So that is going to be when people go to your product. That's this little quick view right here. I'll kind of bring up and allow them to add it to the cart immediately. So that's the quick view. And let me see if I'm missing anything here. That's pretty much it on here. And then again, if you just completely don't want, oops, you don't want the sidebar to show it all, we're not going to show that. And we're not going to show that. And it'll just kind of take those off. I do kind of like the sorting, especially depending on how many products you have. I think that's helps people to be more inclined to shop. Oops. Okay, so now I'm going to show you two more things really quick. Go back to that category page. So the next thing I want to show you here is on your manage pages, your store pages. Let's take a look at your product page. So just like that category shop page, you can come in here and you'll notice that there's also settings here. So again, you can kind of come through here and play with how you want this page to look, what you think looks the best and you like the best. Go back to that classic. And then again on the settings, what you want to display on this product page. So final thing I'm going to show you in this video is, let's say for instance, you want to set up specific pages for those different categories. Okay, so right now our shop page is just that main page that has all of our products. But let's say on our menu here, when someone clicks on here, let's say under shop, we want them to be able to go. Oh, I did actually set one up. We want them to be able to go to those different categories. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Let me go through and I don't know why. Let me refresh it because I don't know why that new page is still on there. I think I mentioned before, if technology is technology, so if anything ever kind of glitches or is taking a long time, just save your site and refresh. It's going to happen from time to time. Okay, so let's go to manage pages and let's go ahead and add a page. We're just going to make this a blank page and we're going to call this moisturizing. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and take this down to under our shop page. So now what we're going to want to do is come in here to our elements and we're going to go to store and we're going to go ahead and add a store here. So you can see right now it's bringing up all of our products. So what we want to do is go into settings and we're going to click on moisturizing. Now I only have one product set up, so it doesn't look as pretty. And then again, everything that I just showed you in the other one, you can come through here and show that filter. So maybe even under moisturizing, you want to have, let's make this bigger. Maybe you want to have, cleanser, moisturizer, eye cream, or again, of course, if you don't do beauty products, whatever, clothing or whatever, you can put those different categories on here. And then again, we get rid of that color. There's actually really nothing to filter right now. And again, it doesn't look that great because there's one product. But I just want to kind of show you how you can create those pages for different product categories. And then what you might want to do is come here and let's copy that section. Let's go ahead and paste that. We'll make this moisturizing products. And then we've got a nice little cover on there. You might want to make this a little smaller since it's just kind of the category page. Up to you, however you want your site to look. Now we go to our preview and go to our menu. You'll notice here that if someone clicks on shop, they're going to go to all of those products. And if they click on moisturizing, then they're just going to go to those moisturizers. I probably would have changed this image, but you get the point. So now you know how to go in there and edit your shop pages, how they look, what features are on there, and also set up a separate page for each category if that's something you want to do with your online shop.